Hello and welcome to today's video in high altitude investing. Today's video, we're going to do an update on Bitcoin. So let's get right into this. Alright, so I'm excited to be talking about Bitcoin specifically today because it's doing about a 42% drop since our technical rejection at 14K. Now we're headed for the $7.2 thousand level that I predicted as my secondary outcome, especially if this support level failed. As the VIP members know, I recommend to set a stop loss at that support level, so anybody that was in their Bitcoin positions will have gotten out. This is a great spot to begin accumulating Bitcoin, especially as we get closer to the $7,200 level, as that is the 618 level on Bitcoin itself. This is similar to the drop that we actually saw right here after Bitcoin broke out of the last bear market and went into the bull phase of the new cycle. I do see some bull flag structure forming here as well, and that is a really good sign for the medium term price action. The short term price action is still pretty bearish looking, which again is why I'm telling you to start really accumulating, especially as we get under 8,000 and closer to that $7,200 range, and maybe even just a little bit lower like 69. So all of this is just buy zones. This is buy the dip. We're entering a new phase of the market. Volume is dropping and price is dropping, which results in bullish action. Also, volume precedes price. So as you can see, we have bigger volume than we had right here, and the price has not broken out of this point. So that means that volume is preceding the price. We are getting enough volume to see more bullish action and a breakout continuation. We also have a very similar market structure as this beginning of the accumulation process. We did break out a little bit quicker here, but you guys, there's a lot more money in crypto now than there used to be, waiting for a bullish move after an 84% drop. So a quick release like that didn't surprise me too much. The MACD is also oversold, getting closer to the center point. The closer it gets to the center point, the better for buying. And Bitcoin as a whole is an asset that I see long-term growth for a long time to come. But overall, you guys, I'm definitely still thinking bull market. It's pretty obvious to me that we've seen a good reversal here for the market to continue on the upside. This is a clear shakeout, a clear fear to get anybody that really got excited about a potential bull market right here at 14K to sell all of their coins below 8 and around the $7,000 to $6,000 range. So do not be one of those soldiers that gets lost in the battle here. As we drop a little bit, get ready and prepare for future days, future green candles, and more money to come. Now, Bitcoin isn't the only coin I want to talk about today, so let's hop over to the Litecoin markets as well. Litecoin is one that I'm extremely interested in continuing my accumulation process. Even with the drop that we occurred here out of a bear flag, I do not care, you guys. I trade big picture market cycles. I just understand that the big picture is all I personally care about. All of this short-term price action, if you guys are interested in that stuff, look for traders that do day trading. I am completely open to an abundance mentality. If you want long-term stuff, come to my channel, watch my long-term market cycles. This is what I do. If you want short-term, 1 minute, 5 minute, a few days, that's not my specialties. There are people that do it. It's not what I personally recommend, but I'm also not going to tell you not to. I believe in the freedom of information, and I believe in free choice, and I'm not just going to sit here and tell you to only do this one thing. But I will say that long-term market cycle analysis is the most effective method of trading that I've ever discovered. This right here is Litecoin. As you can see, falling out of this, or breaking out of this kind of bull flag right here. There we go, that's a little bit better. Bullish flag, and forming another bullish flag right here. Now this is also volume is preceding price. So we have more volume than we did right here. And we also have decreasing volume and decreasing price. Another reason to be bullish during a drop. This right here is going to be probably about a 786 retracement. Bitcoin has fell between the 618 and the 786. As you guys know, as we get lower on the Fibonacci list, the stronger it gets as a buy signal until you start to fail like the 95% level. And then that would show that this wave from here to here is a wave failure, meaning that it's not going to hold support of that wave. But this right now is a very standard 1-2. So we're going to find that 2 to stop somewhere between the 618 and the 786. Now, after that, I expect an increase in price. It's not going to happen instantly, but it will start to curl. It will start to round out in the big picture as we shift phases from a bear market into the bull market that we saw right here, from the disbelief into a full bull phase. So this is disbelief in the market cycle. We've got brighter days to come. We've got brighter days to come for Ethereum as well. Binance coin as well. I am very interested in Binance, even with the amount of movement that it's done on the upside. This drop that we've seen onto this major support level is looking very good. This is also looking like a big 1 and 2 wave. So we're waiting to find the bottom of that 2 to proceed for 3. And again, volume is preceding price. So you guys, that's my update on the crypto markets. It was a little shorter. I've actually been pretty sick with the sinus for a couple weeks now, but I will continue to update, especially as I get feeling better. I love every single one of you guys, and I will see you in the next video. As always, stay profitable out there.